Test tubes are small cylinder container, with U-shaped bottom and open top, for easy pouring and cleaning, made of glass and plastic, used for mixing, heating, storage, and observe reactions, as mentioned in next slide. Test tubes must be compatible to materials, and chemicals, and equipments, and adapt to sizes and volumes and sterility requirements, as mentioned in next slide. During use, test tubes must wear gloves, and safety glass, and lab coat, and use holders or clamps when handling hot test tubes, and don't overfill test tubes to prevent spills, and clean test tubes after use to avoid contamination, and store test tubes in racks to prevent damage, as mentioned in next slide.